Forgiveness doesn't mean they were right. I think that's why so many people refuse to forgive. They believe if they forgive someone, you're saying what they did was okay. No way. Someone lied to you, they were wrong. If they cheated, very wrong. Someone betrayed your trust, again, wrong. Forgiveness doesn't rewrite history. It doesn't change the facts. It simply changes who carries the burden. I thought holding on to my anger somehow punished them, but it didn't. Punished me. I replayed all the old conversations. I thought about what I should have said. I waited for apologies that I knew were never going to come, and meanwhile, life kept moving. The people that hurt me, they're not carrying that weight. I was. Here's what I believed. You can forgive them and you have to trust them. Wrong. You can forgive them and never let them back into your life. Healthy boundaries and forgiveness exist. Forgiveness is not about giving them another chance. It's not about forgiving and forgetting. It's a chance to stop carrying the anger that is slowing you down. If you've been waiting for an apology before you move on, stop. Your peace is too valuable to leave in someone else's hands. Forgiveness doesn't mean they're right. It means you're choosing not letting what they did control the rest of your life. And the ability to move forward instead of moving backwards. Let's do an experiment. I'm looking this way, I'm moving forward, I'm seeing the future, I'm comfortable, I see the beautiful Pensacola Bay. It's okay, I'm managing. As soon as I start focusing this way, I have to almost stop. Slow down, I cannot see what's behind me because I'm focused on the past, focused on what's behind me. Do you get the analogy? I'm holding on to the anger. It's hurting me, slowing me down, because what I need to do is get that way, get to my forgiveness, get to my love, get to my work, get to my retirement, get to the rest of my life is this way. And it's taking a gated step that is comfortable, moving forward, full of forgiveness, light, and love. And I don't mean to be so hippy dippy. You're holding on to unforgiveness, hate. I understand the idea behind it. You think holding on to that is protecting you. You think holding on to that makes you right. It can protect you, but building a wall to keep out all the bad stuff also keeps out all the love. I know I did it. My name is Eric. I'm an accountability coach. I help people start over. If you're following along, please type I'm in so I can see you. I help people start over, get off the couch, fix their finances, relationships, and heal. If you'd like to know a little bit more about that, hit me with an inbox. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.